I just want to share experience I had problem here with my Rav4 2002 engine light was on for P0440, P0446. We had to do a battery emission system, and we're now past the emission, even it's come to emission time. So first thing I had to do is take the car dealer. Happened to be a Toyota service center here, and have them check into it, and they told me that this is what I problem it, and I say the ship solenoid in the transmission. So I believe on that, so I take that word and I have them fix it, and they charged me almost $1,000 here for that problem, and say they told me the light was gone or we reset it. So 3 weeks down the road, the engine lights was on again. I called them back and say, hey, we had the same problem here. So what told me to bring it back? So no, I'm not. I decided later on. So actually, I don't want to do that because they make mistakes already once. So I don't want to see them. They root me up again. So what I did, I went to the local auto part here, and they put me a list that suspected might be a problem. I shouldn't check into it. So like a gas cap, a rapid canister, fuel neck, rapid canister, vent solenoid line, all this list all right here. So first thing to do, I got some gas cap, and I install it, and it was fine for 2 weeks, and the engine light was on again. So I went and bought the second one, and again same thing. 2 weeks down the road, the failure would come again. So I talked to some people and say, well, maybe get from the dealer, because the original Toyota's part. So I went and go ahead and order it, got one for $30. And again, that's not a problem. So 2 weeks down the road, the same problem failure. And well, this is not too good. So I know that when it's warm here in my state and getting warm, I know I smell a lot of gas fume. Maybe it's a gas canister. So I went and go in online, order one, a canister, install it, and 2-3 weeks down the road, same problem again, same engine light was on again, same code, everything. So okay, this is not too good. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the another one shop here, the Honda Tex we call here, and they charged me $60 to check it, and they told me I gonna need this solenoid, this right here, and they're gonna charge me $237 to $38 if I order from them. And they say that is the culprit. I said, well, oh, it's okay. Let me think about it. I come back later on. So actually, I bought one a while back, because I suspected this is my problem myself too. So I installed it. Well, again, 2 weeks down the road, same light will come on again. So well, this is not good. They keep repeat the same problem over and over and over and over. So I'm gonna go ahead and YouTube it, research online and Google search it and see what. Everybody has the same problem. So one guy, I believe somewhere in California, he has similar problem, and he replaced this guy here. And what he called is a pure system valve, and he replaced it himself because and with this vehicle, SUV, and he said that the problem that is the culprit. So well, okay, well let me double check some of the local shop here. So I want to take the AAA shop here and have him do smoke test. A smoke test this time I need it, and that's what they find out. They say smoke test has cost me about $120, and then they found that the problem is this fuel check valve and fuel check for gasket that is leakage come from, smoke coming from. So they charged me 3 hours for labor because the gas can have it drop it to able to reach to replace that, and total charge can be over $500 or $580. So what the problem is, and well, this is it. This is the problem. So this is the culprit. So it being done smoke test the first time by the dealer, not be able to fix it. But I was down for almost $2,000 just for that. So I learned. All right. So I hope everybody can learn that from that. All right. Thank you.